Wix Landing Page Builder tutorial for beginners. Create Wix landing page that converts. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Wix's very own landing page and how you can use its landing page builder and how you can use its actual editor to help you create a good landing page that actually converts, gets you leads, and gets you contacts. Okay, so we're going to be talking about that in great depth and great detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video all the way till the end so you can get the full idea and full concept of how we're going to start off with this. Okay, now to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go ahead, okay, come here to our dashboard. Now, if you already have a website designed, let's not get into that right now, okay, because we don't want to change our actual recurring website. What we're going to do, on the other hand, is we're going to click on Site Actions. Now, first of all, you're going to duplicate your site. So if you have a current existing site and you don't want to mess with that, you're going to duplicate that site. Now, once that site is duplicated for you, what you're going to want to do from there is you're going to click on Create New Site. Now, what that will do for you is it will actually create a new template of a site to work on. And, that just works really great. Now, it's going to ask you to set up with AI. Obviously, if you want to, you can go ahead and do that for yourself, but I would much rather prefer if I do something of my own. Now, here's going to ask what kind of website are you creating? So I'm going to go ahead and write landing page because that is what essentially I'm going to be going with. So once it brings me to landing page, I'm going to click on next and it brings me here. So what's the name of your business? You can change it anytime. So you're going to start entering the name of your business. Let's say the name of my business is John's Shoes. Let's say I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to add that and then I'm going to click on next. Now, once we click on next, obviously our landing page should mostly just have a chat. Now, the reason for that is because if you want to get conversions and if you want to get leads, people might chat with you. People might ask you, hey, what's going on? Okay, what is this page about? What do you provide? How do I get into this? How long is the sale? How long is the discount? Different questions that could arise from watching a landing page in front of yourself. So you're going to make sure that the chat component is there. The chat symbol or chat element is there because without this, your page is not a page. Moving on, you can also add in more things. So, band is in town is a good, you could say, element because in this, you can list all your upcoming live events. I'm simply going to stay with chat and I'm going to click on next. Now, once we chat, we come here. It says start setting up your business. So you can set up your business tools and analytics, but obviously that is not what we're here for. You can do that later on in the settings. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start designing my site. So to design my site, I'm going to go ahead and click on begin with a template. Now, once you click on begin with a template, it's going to give you all these designs for different landing pages. And to get these designs from landing pages, it helps you a lot, okay, in how you're actually going to get the exclusivity of designing. So I'm going to go ahead with, let's say this one, product landing page. It looks pretty nice. It looks pretty cool. And it's, showcasing a product. So I'm going to go ahead and click on view on this. And once you click on view, look at that. It looks incredible. It looks actually stunning. And, I like the look of it. So I'm simply going to go over ahead to this and click on edit this site. Now, once you click on edit the site, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. Now, what we're going to do from here is we're going to wait for the landing page to actually load up. And once this landing page loads up, it's going to help us to get into the actual exclusivity and details and in-depth things of the design. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. And obviously, once it loads up, the actual classic page editor is like cutting through butter. The elements that it gives you, the amount of work that it gives you is absolutely out of this world. It's actually incredible. And it gives us a good idea of how we are supposed to work with a proper landing page. All right. So once we have this opened over here, it's going to ask us to write the site content through AI. Now, if you want your content to be written beforehand through AI, you can actually go ahead and use AI in this case. But I would obviously not recommend that. I would recommend that you do this yourself. So I'm going to cross this out. And once we cross this out, it's going to give us all these things. So add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. Now, this is what your general idea of a site actually looks like, right? Now, over here, what we are going to want to do is understand the actual in-depth complexity of the site. Now, it's not complex, but you are going to need to understand how it works. So, first of all, comes the things that are inside the actual, portrait, inside the actual website. So, to edit the aspects of the actual website, you're going to click, let's say I'm going to click on the header, and you can edit the header. You can click on this section, you can edit the section, click on this section, edit this section, click on this. It gives us a good editorial sequence. Then obviously I like the background and color scheming. I'm obviously going to change the products and this logo, okay? So first of all, I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on change vector art. And once we go ahead and click on change vector art, what that's going to do is it's going to open up my media from Wix. So you can upload your very own media as well. Like let's say I have my very own logo. So I'm going to click on upload from computer. I'm going to go to my downloads and I'm going to choose a nice looking PNG. So let's say I'm going to go with this. I have the Nike logo PNG for myself. So I'm going to upload that and I'm going to keep it in my website to, actually see how it seems, how it looks. So you're going to choose whatever design you want to add. And once you choose the design, you're simply going to click on it and you are going to be editing it. Now, in case it is not a vector art, you can turn it from a PNG to a vector art or edit it with the actual Adobe Express experience to give you a vector art. And once you take that, you can actually upload it over here. Now also comes your text, okay? So let's say I want to change it to Nike, okay? I'm going to change it to Nike. Let's say I'm going to keep it at that. Now, once you do that, obviously this is your landing page, which will tell people to actually, you'll tell people about your brand. You'll tell people that, hey, okay, this is my brand. You guys need to check this out. It's pretty in nowadays. It's pretty popular and it's pretty incredible. So let's say I want to change some images. So I'm going to go ahead and add the Nike watch. Okay, I'm pretty sure they had some Nike Fitbit that I'm just going to go ahead and add it over here. So I'm going to write Nike watch. So here's the Apple Watch from Nike. You can take some really good PNGs off of this, okay? There's some quite good PNGs. Let's say I'm going to add this one. This one looks pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead. You're going to click on Open Image in New tab. It opens that up over here. You're going to click on Save Image As. Once you click on Save Image As, you're going to go to remove.bg, which is a background remover, okay? It's totally free. It doesn't take any money from you. All you're going to do is you're going to upload your image that you want your background removed to, and it's going to remove it in seconds. And that is how incredible this application is. So I'm just going to go and download it. And once you've downloaded this, you're simply going to paste it into your actual website. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this image that we have in the back. There we go. And I'm going to wait for my image to load up and I'm going to keep it over here. And once this is done, you're going to increase its size, bring it down in this section. So look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Obviously, the quality right now is a bit down, but you get what I mean. So once you've done this and you've edited the aspects of your landing page, you're going to click on publish. Your landing page will go live. And from there on out, share your links, tell people about your landing page. And that is basically how you're going to be creating a landing page on Wix in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So if you enjoyed the video, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.